Hey everyone, I'm the HVAC Repair Guy. I've got over 17 years in the trade as a technician, installer, and contractor. I also have a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we're looking at two popular two-stage heat pumps, the Payne PH8TAN5 and the Trane XR16. I'm going to walk you through how these two units compare side by side so you can decide which one makes the most sense for your home. Looking at cabinet construction and build quality, there is a clear structural difference between these two outdoor units. The Trane XR16 features full side louvered metal panels surrounding the outdoor coil for maximum physical protection. This protects against yard debris, hail, and stray rocks from the lawnmower. The Payne PH8TAN5 uses an open wire grill design that allows plenty of airflow and makes coil cleaning easy. That grill design leaves the aluminum fins more exposed to impacts. Both units come equipped with a sound dampening compressor blanket out of the box. When it comes to heating performance, we look at the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF. The Payne PH8TAN5 comes in with an HSPF rating of 8.5. The Trane XR16 sits at an HSPF of 8.1. That higher 8.5 rating on the Payne means it will pull heat a bit more efficiently during cold winter months. That helps keep your electric heating bills slightly lower. Since these are heat pump-able, both systems reverse operation in the summer to cool your home. Both units are built around two-stage compressors. A two-stage compressor runs on a lower capacity stage most of the time to keep temperature and humidity steady. It steps up to high stage only when extreme hot or cold weather demands it. That reduced cycling extends equipment life and eliminates temperature swings. Where they differ is on the condenser fan. The Payne PH8TAN5 uses a single-speed fan motor. The Trane XR16 upgrades to a two-speed fan motor. Having a two-speed fan allows the Trane to better match airflow with low-stage compressor operation. Noise level is always a big factor for homeowners. The Payne PH8TAN5 operates at sound levels as low as 67 decibels. That is roughly equivalent to a quiet dishwasher running or a normal spoken conversation. The Trane XR16 is rated between 54 and 76 decibels depending on tonnage. It typically operates around 72 to 74 decibels on standard residential sizes. That upper range is closer to a vacuum cleaner running nearby, which makes the Payne noticeably quieter in your yard during normal operation. Payne is manufactured in Mexico by Carrier Global Corporation. Trane is manufactured right here in the USA by Trane Technologies. In terms of real-world installed pricing, a complete Payne installation typically ranges from $7,500 to $11,500. The Trane XR16 carries a higher premium with full system installed pricing generally landing between $8,500 and $14,000 or more. Looking at the warranty coverage, both manufacturers offer a standard 10-year parts limited warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty upon timely registration. Neither system includes a unit replacement guarantee, meaning a compressor failure under warranty replaces the compressor itself rather than the entire outdoor unit. If I am standing next to these units giving you my honest recommendation as a contractor, the clear winner here is the Payne PH8TAN5. While Trane gives you superior heavy-duty louvered cabinet protection and a two-speed fan, Payne delivers a higher heating efficiency at an 8.5 HSPF. Payne also runs quieter in your yard and comes in at a lower total installed cost. For long-term comfort and energy savings on your winter electric bill without overpaying upfront, the Payne PH8TAN5 is the smarter buy.